Welcome back to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? All right, guys, we in May. We in May right now, and garden is thriving pretty good. Almost every day I'm able to harvest something. But today I'm gonna be harvesting broccoli today. So we have a fruit broccoli that I'm gonna be harvesting today. So let's dive in. Look at this broccoli, guys. Look at this broccoli. It's beautiful, eh? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just break off the top right here. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. We have a next one here, but it's too small, so I'm gonna leave that. So let's just walk with me, guys. Let's go over to another side down here and see what's over here. This is a broccoli here as well, but this one is pretty small. This one, we're gonna take this one. Same thing. Yeah. Today Sunday, this broccoli will be for Sunday dinner. Okay, so we have one. This one look a little small. This one could stay a little bit, but I want them pretty young, so I'm definitely picking all of them. Look at this guy. Look at this one again. Man, this thing looking healthy. All right, guys, let's come over here. We have one here and we have one here. I do believe they can go a little more, but guess what? I'm cooking broccoli today, so I'm taking all of them. So there will be a broccoli dinner, pure vegetables. Okay, let's go up this side and see what's up here. Man, guys, grown organic, pretty healthy. Man, come on, tell me about this, guys. All right. We also have kale that we're gonna harvest as well. I'm just dealing with the broccoli first. Okay, we have another one right here. Look, another broccoli right here, guys. There, look at this. Look at this. We have more, but they're pretty small. So we have this one, but they're pretty small, so I'm gonna leave them to go a little more. All right, guys, this is my harvest. Beautiful broccoli harvest. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and share. Okay,